Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the subsequent sibling combinator. Okay, what is that? So the subsequent sibling combinator, the tilde, basically it is the key just below your escape key, separates two selectors and matches all the instances of the second element that follows the first element. Okay, and it is not necessarily immediately and share the same parent element. Okay, so what do I mean by that? I know this sounds a little bit confusing, so let's see in action. So here it is. Here is our heading. Okay, now for example, in the previous video, we have learned about the next sibling combinator, by which we are just selecting the element which is just after the H1. But in that case, what we want right now is to select all of the paragraphs which are after the H1. So how we can do that? So we can do that by using the subsequent sibling combinator. So instead of this plus, what I can do, I can add the tilde sign, which you can press it by holding the shift and then the key just below your escape key and hit save. Now what will happen? All of the paragraphs which are just after this H1 will be colored, like the styles will be applied. And please remember that the paragraphs which are present before the H1 will not be affected at all. So if we want to set something like, hey, we want to create much more paragraphs. So let's do many of the things. Okay, so what will happen here now? All of the paragraphs which are after this particular H1 tag will be selected and the styles will be applied to those. Okay, and if we just go here and inside of the style, we can just add a plus symbol here, which means just apply the styles to the first paragraph element, which is just after the H1 tag. So only the first paragraph will be selected right now and have the styles applied. But here we are learning about this subsequent sibling combinator, by using which we can select all of the paragraphs which are after the H1 element. Okay, and we can select those and add some custom styles to those. So this is the subsequent sibling combinator.